Hi everyone, welcome to the Touch to Click channel. Today in this video we'll show you how to set up audio mixer in OBS step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Open OBS Studio on your computer. By default you have seen a new profile and a new scene collection. Step 2. Go to the Sources panel and click on the plus icon. From the list choose Audio Input Capture. Give it a name based on the device you're using, such as microphone, then click OK. Step 3. Either select your preferred audio device from the drop-down menu and/or not available audio device. Click OK again to add it to your scene. Step 4. Once your audio input is added, you'll see it appear in the audio mixer panel. This panel shows a real-time visual display of your audio levels while you speak or record. Step 5. The meter has 3 color zones. Green indicates safe audio levels, yellow shows moderate but acceptable levels, and red means the volume is too high and may cause distortion. Step 6. To adjust the volume, use the slider next to the audio source. If the sound is too loud, lower the slider to avoid clipping. Step 7. You can also mute the audio at any time by clicking the speaker icon next to the source. You've successfully set up and adjusted the audio mixer in OBS. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tech tutorials.